In this problem, we need to find out the derivative of log of x whole raised to the power of x with respect to log of x. So here we will begin by considering a function u, which is given by log of x whole raised to the power of x. And we'll consider v to be equals to log of x. So our goal will be to find out derivative of u with respect to v. Now before doing that, all we have to do is we'll start by taking the derivative of u with respect to s and v with respect to x. Taking the derivative of v with respect to x is very simple because this will be simply 1 over x. But here, to find out the derivative u with respect to x, we'll have to take the logarithm first. So we'll consider log of u equals to log of x whole raised to the power of x. Now we'll have log of u equals to, so here we are going to use a property, so that will be simply equals to x multiplied to log of x. So all we have done is use the property of logarithm. That means if we have log of a raised to the power of b, so this will be equals to b times log of a. So this gives us log of u equals to x times log of x. Now we will take the derivative on both sides with respect to x. So we have derivative with respect to x of log of u. That will be equals to derivative with respect to x of x times log of x. Right. So derivative of log of u with respect to x, so this will be 1 over u times derivative of u with respect to x. So here we have used the chain rule. And we will take the product rule. So this will be derivative with respect to x of x as multiplied to log of log x plus x times derivative with respect to x of log x. Let's further simplify. So here we have 1 over u times derivative of u with respect to x equals to, so derivative of x with respect to x, so that's equals to 1. So our first term will be log of log x plus x times, so here we have to take the derivative of the logarithmic function. So we have 1 over log of x. So here we have log of x, but the argument of the log function, this particular log is log x. So that comes here 1 over log x multiplied to derivative with respect to x of this log of x, the inner log of x. So this will give us log of log x plus x divided by log of x multiplies to derivative of log of x, which is 1 over x. So this x and this x cancels out, and this is going to give us 1 over u times derivative of u with respect to x equals to log of log x plus 1 over log of x. Then we'll multiply both sides with u, so that gives us u multiplied to log of log x plus 1 over log of x. Now we will finally replace the value of u with log of x whole raised to the power of x. So this is multiplied to log of log x plus 1 over log of x. So now we have du over dx. Let's label this as number 1. And we have already obtained the derivative of v with respect to x, which is 1 over x. So what we'll do? We'll use derivative of v with respect to x, which we obtained as 1 over x. I will label this as number 2. Now, to find out derivative of u with respect to v, all we have to do is divide 1 with 2. That means we'll take derivative of u with respect to x and divide it with derivative of v with respect to x. So that means we are going to get log of x whole raised to the power of x. So this is multiplied to log of log x plus 1 over log of x whole divided by 1 over x. So that goes to the numerator to give us x. So our final result will be x times log of x whole raised to the power of x. This is multiplied to log of x plus 1 over log of x. So this is the derivative of u with respect to v.